So welcome to this wig review install video. So the wig is from Wiggins. This is a 24-inch lace, well, it's a closure. It's 7x4. The closure is a 7x4, so it's a little bit bigger than the normal 5x5 closure. And as you can see, the lace is looking like amazing already. It's already cut, it's already parted, it's already bleached. So it's literally like a wear and go wig. This is what the wig construction looks like. And yeah, 24 inches. I believe it's 180 density as well. So it's super full and lush looking. So in the box, I have this wig band. I have this comb for your baby hairs, HD wig cap. And it also had some lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair in the center to match the wig. I'm not going to use the HD lace cap today. Now the hair is so perfect. It's already bleached, as I said. It's already tweezed. So you really don't have to do anything to it. Also, my wig cap size is a small. I might have gone for the medium maybe next time, but yeah, it's a small and I have a pretty small head. So it did fit like a glove, but maybe I want some wiggle room next time. So anyway, putting it on and it's like already ready to go. If I wanted to, I could do a glueless look. I do not need to secure it because the lace is just melting like already. The only thing I might need is a little bit of foundation, and that's if I were gonna wear it without any type of glue or any type of hairspray to secure it. But I'm gonna use my Sticky Little Secret glue system to glue my hair down. So first thing I'm gonna do is prep my forehead with the skin protector. So I'm just gonna put that all over my forehead. Next, I'm going to go in with the glue. I'm just going to try to put a thin layer. I will admit, I think I put a little bit too much lace glue on, but that's fine. So once my glue is on, I'm going to wait about 5 minutes for it to turn completely clear before I go ahead and put the lace into the glue. And as I said before, the frontal is 7 inches across the forehead. So it's almost the full length of a lace front, but not quite. So anyway, 5 minutes has passed and it is perfectly clear, and I'm gonna go ahead and position my lace into the glue. It can be a little bit tricky because once you put it in, you cannot undo it, right? So you just wanna make sure everything is lined up carefully and all your glue is in the lace, or all your lace is in the glue. You get what I mean? You don't want any lace left out or glue left sticking out. Okay, so once your lace is secured in your glue, boom, you can go outside. LOL. Well, there is one more thing I'm going to do. I'm going to take this melting spray and I'm going to just add it to the lace front just to make it even more invisible and even more laid. So I'm just spraying some on my finger and just dabbing it where I need it. And once I have it where I want it, I'm just going to use the back of my comb to secure it. I'm also going to take out a few baby hairs before I put my headband on. So while those are setting in place, I'm going to just quickly do my makeup so I look like I'm going somewhere. LOL. So it's been about 15 minutes. My makeup is done and the lace is completely melted. Beautiful. Now I want to use my same melting spray to form my baby hairs at the side. I don't want to use gel because gel is a little bit too heavy, but the hairspray is literally perfect amount of hold. And I'm also going to go in and touch up these curls with my wand. And this is how we're looking. So guys, I'm done. Like, this took absolutely no effort. Look at that. So I'm going to leave all the information to this wig in the description box below. As I said, it's a 7x4 closure wig, okay? And it's 24 inches, 180 density. All right, you guys, this is like fantastic. So be sure to check them out. Wiggins. Okay guys, so that's it for me for now. If you love this hair, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have any questions, and you can find the link to everything I used in the description box. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. I love you. Bye.